Hi everyone! So finally I have my Jackson's order with me. Oh my goodness, it's been such a whirlwind to get this package. So many things happened. So basically I had to pay some customs fees. I'm not sure what you call it, like duties or import tax. You know what I mean, that. Which thankfully didn't turn out so much, but the stressful part was that when they sent me the slip that I had to pay, the slip was missing. I had to basically track down the slip, and then after I paid, I had to wait for the package to be delivered, and turns out the tracking said it was successfully delivered, but then I didn't receive it. So then what happened? So then I had to track down the package again. It was such like an annoying process, but like all in all, I did learn some stuff, like, you know, about customs and also about the postal system, things like that. And I think it is better for me to know than to not have known. And all in all, it turned out well. I finally got it, right? It just took more time than usual. Anyway, before we start unboxing, I just want to give a quick shout out and a big thank you to a kind friend who sent me a gift card, a Jackson's gift card, to use for my splurge, and it happened to be around the same time as my birthday, so I'm going to count this as sort of like a birthday present in a way. So thank you so much, friend. Here's a big heart for you. Yay! Okay, let's get started, shall we? You know what? I'm just going to cut through and then like speed up this whole process because I know no one really likes watching like the cutting and then unboxing, okay? Alright, quick pause. To be honest, it's been so long that I actually forgot what I ordered, so we shall take a look at this together. Alright, so I just took a quick peek at my order and I remember now, so it's all the Roman Szmal stuff. Okay, so let's get into it. Shall we do this first? Okay, so basically I got the Roman Szmal number 8911. It's the, oh, why is the tip bent a bit? Oh, it's okay. Anyway, so it's the one where I believe it's a mixture of synthetic hair as well as natural hair or squirrel hair. So you should get that like snap as well as that ability to hold a lot of water. And then this one, you're not gonna believe why I got it. I shall show you. I feel like I'm missing something. Did they forget something? Okay, no, they didn't. Okay, so I'll show you this first. So here's the brush. Oh, by the way, Sarah Bailey has made a video on Roman Szmal stuff as well as she talked about this brush as well. So if you want to know what she thinks of this brush, I'll leave a link to her video, this video, down below, so you could take a look at that. And I won't be trying this today. It's just going to be a haul video today, but I am like interested in trying this further. So now that Jackson's actually stocks Roman Szmal brushes, I just want to quickly tell you guys that I do have like a series of Roman Szmal brush videos, like review videos. So these are the videos that I already have made a long time ago prior to Jackson's having them. So I'm going to link to those videos down below if you'd like to check those out, you know, see which brushes interest you, and then you could go buy on Jackson's if you want to. Anyway, so that's Roman Szmal's brush, and then it's the one that I don't have, so that's why I got just the one. I was actually interested in the Roman Szmal quill brush that Sarah also ordered, and you can see that in her video that I linked. It's just a squirrel quill brush, so I figured like I have too many squirrel quill brushes anyway, so I didn't bother getting it. But this one isn't Roman Szmal, by the way. It's just something I added to my order. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I'll leave a link to this product down below. It's basically, I believe it's real bamboo. And then I think it's marketed as a dip pen. So I guess you dip and then you probably like store ink in this reservoir or something. I'm not sure. Like, I guess it's supposed to work like a fountain pen, but that's not why I bought it. Take a look at this. Look, it's a brush tip. And then you put it back here. Okay, it fits quite snugly. And then, okay, I'm not sure. Oh no, it's all bent. Can you see? It's all like frayed. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna have to see if I could revive that. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna try reviving it off screen later, but like the reason I got this is because I saw it and I was like, wait, hang on, this could be a really good like travel brush. Okay, so if you know Liz Steele, she uses a dagger brush, and like at the end of one of her brushes, she like sharpens it so she could make like, you know, lines within her watercolor paintings and her artwork. So I thought this would be so great. You don't need to sharpen, and you can like use this, right? And it's bamboo. So yeah, and this, I believe this is natural hair, so it's going to like keep a lot of water. It probably won't have a lot of spring. If you want me to do a review on this, please let me know. Yeah, if I could revive this, then we shall see. If I can't, I'll probably have to contact Jackson's. A hair has already come off. Yeah, okay, but I am, oh wait, another hair came off. And a few more as, oh my goodness, so many hairs coming off. What is going on? Oh no, do I really need to contact Jackson's? Oh, I waited so long for this order. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put this down before I mess with it any further. That's why I got it. Okay, let's move on. Dun, 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 dun. So many Roman small paints. Yay. Okay, so I've already forgotten what colors I got, but okay, you know what? Looking at this, I think I remember what I ordered now. Basically, I ordered some Roman small colors. So I do have some Roman small colors already. Here's my Roman small collection. And you're gonna be like, oh, you have a lot already. Why did you get half pans? Why don't you get full pans? Well, this is my dedicated Roman small palette. And I basically have, like, as you can see, this whole part here, this whole row are earth colors. And then I had some, I don't have like my staples, you know? I basically have colors that I didn't have and Roman small had. So yeah, that's my approach to purchasing Roman small paints in the beginning, because I already had, like, you know, all the staple colors, all the primaries and secondaries and all that. So yeah, anyways, I made some space down here so I could fit more colors, and then I counted. I'm not sure, I think I probably bought a little bit more than the space that I have left, but it's okay. Some of them are gonna be like, you know, extras, or I might take some of these earths out. So yeah, so just letting you know that that's sort of where my mindset, or my, what am I trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say. Okay. So I should already have a video currently out about my preferred, my signature palette, basically, which are colors that I've chosen to be my colors and my own, like, you know, my signature palette of colors. So these are gonna be my Roman small picks for my signature palette. And obviously they're not gonna really align. I'll talk you through some of them. Okay, so let me have them all out here, get rid of the box. Okay, so this one is the tube gripper. I think it's by Golden. Yes, by Golden. I think Autocano also mentioned this before, but like a lot of friends have told me that I should get it because, yeah, I mean, it's also fairly affordable, so I just got it. Why not, right? So here we go. That's just there. And the colors, let's see, we have Quin Magenta. I wasn't sure if I should get Quin Magenta or Quin Pink. I just went with Magenta. And then this is Quin Red. And then we have a Nickel Azo Yellow PY150. And then for green, okay, I have Aquarius Green. And then for my Phthalo Green, so if you look at my signature palette, I'm gonna have a Phthalo Green in there, but instead of getting just another Phthalo Green, I already have Cobalt Green here, so I think I'm gonna use that instead of a Phthalo Green in this palette. And then followed by Cobalt Turquoise. Okay, so the next one would be my phthalo turquoise, which is this phthalo turquoise PB16. This is my favorite pigment, my most favorite pigment. I can't have a palette without this color. And a lot of you have been asking me what I think of Roman Szmal's PB16. So yeah, I got this, and also I got this because I do use it a lot and also to satisfy my own curiosity. So that's the PB16. And then this one is Ocean Blue, and for my Roman Szmal pick, I think I actually want to use this Ocean Blue in my palette because it's a mix and it's a turquoise, so I want to try that one. But I'm also going to try PB16, of course, so they'll both take this place. And then my blues, I chose Cobalt Colon Blue, PB35. And your regular French Ultramarine, PB29. And then for the rest of my signature palette colors, I already have in here. So I have plenty of Earth Yellows and Earth Reds, as well as Mars Black as well, so I'm covered there. And then these extra ones that I got here, this one is, oh yes, this is Quin Burnt Orange. Where does it say? Okay. Oh, here. Quin Burnt Sienna, PO48. So I just got this because as like a spare to stock up on PO48. I think this is basically my only PO48 that I'm stocking up on. If it turns out I do like it and I use a lot of it, then I might buy Daniel Smith's PO48, and they still have like a lot in their stock, so I'm not too worried about that. And then this one, oh, this is Naples Yellow Deep, and the reason I got this one is because it's PBR24, and I've never tried this pigment. I have tried it on like some dot cards and all that, but I don't have like a pan of PBR24, so that's why I got this one. And these two colors here are just, you know, convenience mixes that I couldn't justify buying earlier on. So this one is, oh no, oh goodness, maybe I shouldn't have bought this one. You know what I mean. So I'm just going to call it pea gray as well. So pea gray, okay, supposedly like moon glow. And then this one is, I'm sure you already know, right? Misty Morning. So Misty Morning was actually one of the first few Roman Szmal colors that I tried to make a dupe out of. I'm going to link a video down below so you could see that like I did that a long time ago, and this like now is when I'm actually going to get to try it and paint with it. So yeah, it's been a really long time, probably like over a year. But yeah, that video is silent, so please, like, just for reference, the date, yeah. Oh, you know what? Don't go watch it. Don't go watch it. It was my dark past. Okay, so yeah, anyway, that's basically my haul for today. I'm so happy, and looking at the colors, like, oh my goodness, I'm so happy that I'm gonna be able to put like my signature palette together using Roman Szmal colors. Like, oh, this is so exciting. Again, thank you so much, kind friend, for gifting me this gift card and this opportunity to like buy all these. Like, a lot of you are going to be like, why did you get half pans? You know, like full pans are much more like, what do you call it? Like cost effective. But you know, I have full pans and I have colors. I wanted half pans because they were cheaper and I could get more colors. If I bought full pans, then I couldn't get all the colors and I don't have space. If you know, you know. If you don't understand, it's fine. You know what? We could agree to disagree. It's fine. But like, you know, hey, I actually agree that full pans are more cost effective, okay? But yeah. Anyway, so happy about this. Thank you so much, friend. Like, oh, I'm so happy with this. Like, yay, I'm so excited. Okay. All right, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.